Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the Coco Cat ability in Grow a Garden game of Roblox Christmas update. Okay, let's get into it guys. Finally, I could obtain this pet. And if you want to get this pet guys, you need to have the gift from the Christmas event part 2. And you need to have the rainbow gift or the gold gift to get this Coco Cat. And finally, I could get this cat, and I'm going to place it in my garden. And oops, sorry, I have max pet equipped. But wait, let me check it, guys. Okay, my Coco Cat is right here. I have already placed this pet in my garden, and let's view the ability, guys. Okay, this is one of the mythical pets. And every 4 minutes goes to a hot chocolate cosmetic and naps near it for 14 seconds. And your fruit within 15 stats will be 15x larger. Okay, basically it can help your plants grow larger, and it needs hot chocolate cosmetic that you can buy from the Christmas shop right here. To get the cosmetic, just go to this shop, and there will be the hot chocolate cosmetic. Okay, at first I was confused on how to use this cosmetic, but now I got it. So yeah, you need the hot chocolate cosmetic to make this pet works. And I think it's not that worth to keep in our garden, but it's up to you. Okay guys, that's all about the Coco Cat and Grow a Garden game of Roblox Christmas update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!